Hi, it's Steve. Today we're going to show you how to change the speed control board on your front load washer. It's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a number 2 square head screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we begin this repair, since we will be working near some electrical circuits, we'll need to disconnect power to the washer, so pull it far enough forward that you can disconnect the plug, and then we can start our repair. Now next we'll remove 2 screws at the bottom of this access panel. And just support that panel as you remove the second screw. Then let it drop down and disengage the little locating tabs on the top of it, and we can set that aside. Now the speed control is located on the right hand side towards the rear, so we'll need to get in there and remove the 2 mounting screws. If we reach in along the right hand side here, you'll see that there are 2 screws that secure the base of that speed control housing to the base of the machine. So we're just going to remove those 2 screws. Now with both screws removed, we'll next just push back slightly on that housing to disengage it from a little hook at the front. And then we can pivot it around so that we can gain access to the wire connections at the back. So just release the tabs on both of those connectors. And then pull that whole board out through the front. Now when installing the new board, we'll also want to keep in mind that this is the little hook at the front that will engage into a slotted opening in the base. This is the slotted opening that that hook on the front of that board mount will fit into before we tighten those 2 screws down. So locate the wire harness and make sure they're fully inserted into the connectors and that the locking tabs are engaged. And then just pivot the board around into position. So we'll first position the front of that board so that the hook fits into the base. And then pull it forward to line up the 2 screw holes. And then install the 2 retaining screws and tighten them securely. Now with the 2 screws in, we can now put the front access panel back on. So just line up the locating pins on that access panel and hold the panel up tight against the door panel, then reinstall the screws. We're now ready to reconnect the power, and our repair is complete.